How to play Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to play Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android. So to get started, go ahead and open Xbox application on your Android device and then click on sign in from here. Now, if you don't have the application yet on your Android device, go ahead and open Google Play Store. Now, from there, go ahead and search for Xbox. Now, on the Xbox application, go ahead and sign in to your account. Click on sign in, and that will redirect you into this section. So, in here, you need to go ahead and use the account registered for your Xbox account. And then once you're signed into your account, you can go ahead and proceed on setting it up. So once you're signed in to your Xbox account, you can go ahead and set up your console. So in here, go ahead and click on Let's Go. This will allow you to proceed with the next steps with the account that you've signed in with. So in here, click on Next, and then from here, go ahead and save your preferences. You can also find your friends by connecting your other gaming accounts to your Xbox account. Now, in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and set up your console and install games, view and share game clips and screenshots, and party chat with friends across devices using the Xbox app. So you can go ahead and pair your Bluetooth controller via Android settings, launch the Xbox app to test controller input, and then tap the cloud tab in the Xbox app and browse and select any game marked with the cloud icon. Now, games stream directly with no downloads needed. Use touch controls if supported or your paired controller. And that is how you can basically play Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android.